One altcoin is up an insane 7,800%. Solana is leading the altcoin pack after the recent dip and could Bitcoin pump to 92K in the near term. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Alright, good morning you guys. Starting off the video today, we have a Bitwise executive says Trump's election victory could push Bitcoin to $92,000, probably in the near term. Now, the crypto asset manager Bitwise's head of alpha strategies predicts Bitcoin may rally as high as 92K if Donald Trump wins the US presidency in November, which is only like 2 weeks away at this point, so it's coming up quick here. In an August 22nd post to X, Jeff Park wrote that charting Bitcoin's price against Trump's odds on the decentralized betting platform Polymarket and applying some merger arb style probability math showed a high chance of Bitcoin surging following him clinching an election victory. And he said, I project Trump's victory could push Bitcoin to 92,000. Now, Park's bullish price prediction for Bitcoin is joining a growing roster of people who expect Trump's victory to send the price of crypto soaring. Bitcoin millionaire Eric Finman says that his election could have Bitcoin rally as high as $100,000. His policies will ignite the crypto market, fueling massive growth across the board. Now, crypto has never been so closely tied to the outcome of a single political event, as Donald Trump has made pro-crypto policy a cornerstone of his 2024 election campaign. And in a bid to win over single-issue crypto voters, Trump has promised to turn the U.S. into the crypto capital of the world, and he said he would fire Securities and Exchange Chair Gary Gensler on day one of his presidency, which I'm sure a lot of people in crypto would love to see. Still, though, not everyone is convinced that Trump's victory would be a long-term win for the crypto markets. Billionaire investor and entrepreneur Mark Cuban, who is supporting Kamala Harris, says that if Trump wins, the crypto markets would likely pump for a few weeks before descending again. So he thinks it's a little bit opposite. I think either way, crypto is going to go up, but it'll go up a lot faster if Trump wins. But either way, I think overall, like in the long term, it's going to continue to go up. Harris currently leads Trump by 1.8% in the national polls, according to data from 538 polls. But the story is different on Polymarkets, which is a lot more crypto focused. So obviously a little bit more bias with Trump holding a lead of 18.8%, which is insane. So obviously you can tell it's a bit biased with crypto people over on Polymarket. Bitcoin, though, it's been doing what we said. It came down here. It did look like it was going to head down closer towards $64,000 yesterday, so it was a bit scary when this candle came. But this was a huge buyback on the 4-hour, so this is amazing. This is what we want to see. Is it came back and the candle wicked back above, and now we're holding almost at $68,000. So Bitcoin's looking really good here, especially on the daily chart. So hopefully we can continue to head up now and towards the end of October and towards the November elections. Now, Solana has hit record high versus Ethereum and is outperforming Bitcoin as AI meme coins are frenzying and surging revenues, fueling a rally. So, with the broader market consolidating followed the quick run-up from October's lows, Solana has been on a tear against the largest cryptocurrencies. It's the best performing asset in the broader CoinDesk 20 index the past week. So Solana has been outperforming pretty much everyone. I mean, look at this. This is an amazing chart, especially compared to Ethereum, which is down here, Bitcoin, which is, doing decent, but Solana compared to everything else is looking amazing. And if we do Sol BTC, Sol USDT divided by Bitcoin USDT. There we go. That's how you get the Sol Bitcoin chart. We can see Sol is actually rallying against Bitcoin right now. It's actually the highest it's been since August. So Sol is the one to be in right now, and it's leading the rally. We might even come above these highs here. Oopsie. We might even come above these highs here, and if Sol to Bitcoin can do this, then we could see a Solana lead in the coming weeks. However, it is the election cycle coming up, so we might just come up here into resistance, and then Bitcoin takes the lead and steals a lot of the thunder from Solana and altcoins, which is another possibility as well. Now, Solana's activity has been booming with speculative frenzy meme coins, obviously, and activities centered around decentralized finance protocols. The latest trend is AI agents pumping meme coins in a predominantly based Solana network. The main example is the Godius Maximus token, which skyrocketed over $600 million market cap from zero in only 2 weeks, with Mark Andreessen funded AI bot known as the Truth Terminal, heavily promoting on social media. So this AI bot on Twitter has been talking a lot about this, and along with Pump Fun and other crypto influencers on Twitter, Godius Maximus has been taking over. Now, David Zimmerman, DeFi analyst at K33 Research, says, with that, a whole narrative was born from an intersection of AI, meme coins, and crypto. And AI meme coins now, which is a merged niche, have gained massive attention over the last 2 weeks, with many tokens reaching over $100 million market cap. So Solana is doing insane numbers. Now, oh yeah, I have the chart here. Solana now trading its highest valuation relative to Bitcoin since early August. So we can see Solana doing very well right now. It's the trade to be in currently. CoinEx is one of the best exchanges you haven't heard of. Like Gate.io or Mexi, they offer a lot of coins, but more importantly, they offer the high quality coins that you want. CoinEx is a crypto-to-crypto centralized exchange, but they partner with firms like Simplex, Banksa, and MoonPay for to move up to 60 different currencies to the exchange with an on-ramp. In fact, over 1,020 coins in over 1,500 different markets are available, so that's a lot of access. CoinEx also offers, like many top-tier exchanges, services like staking, loans, futures and perpetual trading, auto investing, and spot grid trading for those looking for some more advanced tools. They also have a great program going on right now for new signups. You can earn up to $100 USDT just for doing 4 simple tasks. These tasks include completing your registration, making a deposit of at least 40 USDT, doing a spot or margin trade of at least $200 USDT. So yes, there are spot markets, futures, and perpetuals markets, as well as margin trading, all available on CoinEx. And finally, doing a futures trade of at least $3,000 USDT. This offer only lasts until November 9th, so click the link down below to sign up for a new account at CoinEx and collect your bonus USDT. The Mantra chain has finally gone live with their mainnet and their staking rewards. Now, Mantra, which is the chain that is closely tied to traditional finance and RWAs, has finally gone live on October 23rd. And according to a press release, the mainnet for the real-world asset platform is now live, offering users enhanced network security, regulatory compliance, and institutional-grade access to on-chain finance and tokenized assets through a comprehensive suite of tools. We all know what tokenization is at this point. Starting today, users can bridge the native Ohm token from the ERC20 to the Mantra chain mainnet and stake it to secure the network while earning rewards. Ohm will also serve as the primary asset of the RWA ledger, playing a more central role in the platform's ecosystem. And additionally, users will be able to earn Karma, the project's reputation-based reward system. And at the same time, Ohm has performed very well this year, leading up to the highly anticipated mainnet launch, recently reaching a new all-time high. The token has surged by over 7,134%. And I think it actually was 7,800%, which is what we mentioned earlier in the video. So it was an insane run-up this year, but it is starting to cool off. Now, if we go to Ohm, we can see here it's starting to cool off. So this is probably a case of buy the rumor, sell the news, where we had this huge run up leading up to the mainnet launch. But also I had mentioned a couple, I think last week or the week before, that there was also in line with the mainnet launch, there was also this big airdrop coming. And they're going to be airdropping $75 million worth of Ohm tokens. So with this huge run up, and then leading up to the event, we started to see a sell off as people, are starting to take profit on their coins. So this is probably a prime example of buy the rumor, sell the news. I imagine at some point we'll probably come back down here to this $3 mark. If at the very least we'll come down here to $1.25, because this has just had an insane run up, 7,800% this year. So, this is a huge run. Yeah, insane numbers. It was closer to 8,000 actually. So huge run up this year. I wouldn't be surprised to see us cool off a little bit. But this is definitely a coin that has a lot of strength for when we do see a dip. If you see it come down here to the dollar mark, that's a great pickup for a long term, I'm sure, going on for the rest of the bull market. And next we have Safe price blows up 88% on major listings. So Safe, the largest smart account ecosystem on EVM, nabbed substantial investor interest yesterday as its Safe coin skyrocketed nearly 88%. And of course, a leading South Korean exchange Upbit listed the token, prompting market reactions from traders and investors. So of course, there's an Upbit listing that surged this coin. Now, Safe, Upbit listings are interesting because if you can get into it before they listed on Upbit, it's amazing. However, right now it's not looking so good. So this is the daily chart, and it pumped above here, huge pump. If it held above here, that would be good, but it didn't do that. It fell back into the range. If it held up above here, that would be decent. But now we're actually coming down below this range, and I expect we're probably going to retrace at this point all the way back down. So it's not looking like a good coin to be holding right now. If you did want to buy it, you probably want to buy it back down here around these levels. So that's probably where you want to pick it up again, around $1.07 if you did want it, or if you wanted to long it. But yeah, right now it's not looking like a good one. Every time a coin gets listed on Upbit, it'll pump for, you know, a couple hours and then fully retrace. So we definitely want to watch out for that. So safe price blows up, but it's also dumped as well. And moving on, the crypto exchange Binance has launched the Earn program for Lumia holders. Now, starting on October 24th, which is today, Lumia holders on Binance will now be able to lock their tokens in the Binance Earn program to generate rewards. And Lumia is a pioneering RWA-focused blockchain with its core native cryptocurrency, Lumia, now included in the Binance Simple Earn program. All holders of Lumia are able to join the program and earn up to 19.9% annualized rewards. And now the Binance Simple Earn program for Lumia holders will go live today at 9 a.m. UTC, and the offer will be valid until March 21st, 2025 for all new and existing depositors. Now, Lumia looks pretty cool as well, and if RWA is going to continue to shine like Mantra has, then I think we could see a lot of big money coming into other RWA coins, and Lumia might be one of them. So Lumia is bridging billions of dollars to liquidity to the $10 trillion RWA sector. So I believe this is one that Binance is heavily backing as well. So that's always a good sign if you have an exchange like Binance backing it. So Lumia is looking pretty good as well. Now, if we go to the chart, this is the chart. It just got listed on Binance. It's a little too early to say what's going to happen here. There's not enough price action. But I'm sure if we come back down here to 53, that's an amazing buy if we ever come back down here. Sometimes that does happen when we list on an exchange like Binance, wherever the originating wick is. A lot of times it will come back down there at some point and then carry back up. So that's something to watch. If you did want to pick up Lumia, you might want to get around 55 cents. But if we do start a bullish kind of window here with the elections and everything, we might not get that dip. So you wanna watch out for that. If you are looking to pick up Lumia, it might be good to see a little bit of a confirmation. So you want to see it hold above this line, somewhere around here. Or what would that be? $1.30-ish would be a good confirmation that it's not going to just fizzle down. So you want to see it hold above, this level of support right here. So you want to see it come above this. Whoops. You want to see it come above there. And that's a good place to know that, hey, there's probably strength behind this. And if it breaks back down below, then you can just cut the position. But yeah, Lumia looking good as well. Bitcoin looking pretty good as well. We're almost at 68,000. 80,000 would be amazing. We're almost at 68K. So if we can hold above this blue box here, we're looking pretty great. But yeah, that's the video for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.